let's talk about computer school options for homeschoolers. I know this is a question I'm seeing a lot from parents that are pulling their kids from school right now, and they don't necessarily have a lifestyle that's conducive to them actively teaching their kids, but they do want them to be able to be getting their schoolwork done. There's a lot to choose from, and the good news is it's mostly quite affordable. Computer school options can range from full curriculum where you can do everything at the computer, all the way to just maybe you only want to do math on the computer, or you want to take Spanish on the computer or whatever. So there's a lot of leeway there for you. Pros of this would be that it's mostly independent work for your kids. Somebody else is doing the teaching, and typically your kids are answering any questions or doing any assignments directly into the computer program, so that it is grading and record keeping for you, which can be a super big help, especially on math. And then portability is a great factor. If your kids need to go to grandparents sometimes, or they're going to a different home, or you're going on vacation or whatever, it's easy to take your tablets, your laptops, whatever with you, and they can still be doing school, which is great. It's also pretty affordable. And I would say cons are probably that not everybody does well in front of the computer for a lot of time, especially younger kids. Can be fatiguing on the eyes, the back. It can be difficult for kids that need to be able to move and wiggle and just get up out of the chair. So that can be something that you can try to mitigate with breaks or the blue light glasses, and I'm sure you know all the things. Let me tell you a few suggestions. If you want a secular or kind of worldview neutral sort of option, there's Time for Learning, Khan Academy, BigHistoryProject.com, just specifically history, PowerHomeschool.org. K-12 is free in some states and not in others. You'll just have to check. Christian options include Switched on Schoolhouse, which is DVD based at home, and then Monarch, which is the online version of that, Schoolhouse Teachers, and Easy Peasy. So that's a few starting point recommendations for you to check out, and I'm sure we will have helpful people that will leave comments telling us other options for computer-based learning. And now that I say that, I do want to add in math. CTC math is wonderful, and actually if you go to enrichmentstudies.com/TikTok, I have a really great offer that you can take advantage of.